Hello Year 8 and welcome to your third assembly. I hope that you are all doing well, and from the surveys I can see that most of you are doing pretty okay. A few of you are feeling a little bit low, so make sure that those of your friends reach out, contact, have a chat, check up, make sure that everybody's doing okay. Most of you are managing to do the work really well, and that is borne up by the amazing comments that I've had by some of the teachers that I shall read out later. Really good job. I really hope the live lessons are helping you with that. If you haven't managed to make it to most of them yet, please try and pop along. They are really helpful, and your teachers are waiting there to help you. So what have we been doing then? So I've got quite a few things to go through that people are proud of. I've got a whole host of things that you sent me in this week. Some of these are homeworks, but some of them are not. Some of them are things that you've been doing for the baking competition. Got a beautiful carrot and walnut cake there. I am drooling as I speak. Some amazing pancakes have been made. Some brilliant homework about religion and some organic foods. Some very drool-worthy cinnamon buns being made there. We do like a good cinnamon bun. They always are delicious. Again, some more pancakes and some more of your organic food work. Really good work, everybody. You're doing so fantastically. Also, I asked your teachers this week what was going well, and we have got some amazingly brilliant French work with some very complex sentences in some of that. We've got computer coding, which Archie did amazingly in. We've got some science there, which is absolutely fantastic. We've got some experiments that people videoed themselves doing. I believe that is an experiment that was involved an acid and an alkali and how they react. Mrs. Nichols wanted to pass on a special thanks to those at mini school and how hard they have been working and how focused. She said you were a delight to be with. Mrs. Wilson wanted to say congratulations to Noah for all his really hard work. Mrs. Jackson has been beaming about 8.6 and how brilliant they are doing, as has Miss Cowlin, and it's just fantastic attitude they've got and how brilliantly they're attending their lessons. We have also got from Miss Sheehan how hard her classes are working, and she's so pleased for the people that said thank you to her, as were all the teachers. I passed on your thank yous and they were absolutely so chuffed with those. So please keep those coming in. If you've got anybody you want to thank, I will do pass them along, and they really do appreciate those. I have also got from Mrs. Bramhall some work here from Carla, which is absolutely stupendous, and Miss George has sent me some work that Stuart has done, which absolutely brilliant, really strong, and they were so pleased with that work. Miss Jackson is going to be sending me some work that you've been doing as well. I'm going to put that in next week. I've also had a special mention, and I've forgotten who said this now, but I will look it back up, but the special mention for Saffron, Julia, Paisley, Casey and Archie all doing a fantastic job as well. So really good. Give yourselves a huge pat on the back, and I will be asking the teachers again next week what you've been doing well. So I really hope that you are proud of what you're doing, and you are. So when I ask you what you are proud of, your science, your English, your geography, your maths, your computer science, history, art and design, because somebody said it was less stressful, but really proud of what you're doing, and you should be. You are working really hard and should be proud of what you are achieving. You are definitely making the most of the time that you have got, so well done to all of you. What have you been doing to keep yourself mentally active and calm? Well, most of you have been chatting with your friends and listening to music, but lots of you have been doing other things as well. Well done. You are balancing that work-life balance very well. Something that you'll need to learn for life as well. Really good job. Fewer friends this week. I'm not sure if that's because I included you in the assembly or not, but Mia wanted me to say thank you to Katie, and Casey wanted me to say thank you to Megan and Elisa, just for checking up and seeing how they're doing. It would be nice if we had a few more friends thank yous for next week, so try and conclude some of those. Some top tips from your friends on what to do to keep yourself relaxed and happy during this time. I won't read through all of those, but there are some brilliant ones in there. Lots of listening to music this time, and lots of socialising, taking breaks, going on long walks, doing things in small doses, trying to keep your mind active and off any negativity. And one last big plug from me, don't forget every Tuesdays and Thursdays we do Kahoot and silly questions on Teams. Please come along and join us, we have quite a lot of fun. Not quite sure about the trumpet religion, but we will carry on with that and see how we're going. But we have really loads of good fun. Come and play Kahoot with us. It's only for half an hour, just nice to touch base with you all. And then just these are the same as last week, there aren't any new notices, but remember that there's Daily Fitness with Mr. Sari, that there's still the baking competition going on, and there's still the Timetables Rockstars competition. I'm reliably informed that we are battling against the rest of the trust this week, so please get your Timetables Rockstars in and make sure that you are doing what you can there. Also, don't forget the live lessons are there to help. They're not there to be embarrassing. You don't have to have your video on, you don't have to have your microphone on. You can just listen or type if you've got a question. It's there to support you. So please try and make it along to some of those as well. If you are feeling a little bit low, there's obviously always Miss Williams, Miss Smith and myself and your form tutors. Email any of us and we will get in contact. We can either phone or we can email back. We're really happy to support you. We don't want you to be sitting there miserable on your own. So please contact us. But also there is outside support if you don't want to contact us, so you feel you want to have a chat when we're not available. There is the Emotional Wellbeing Hub. There's live one-to-one chat with Kooth, so you can text them. And then there's Chat Health with the school nurses. They're also available. So please, if you've got any concerns or anything you're worried about, those 3 numbers are really important. Make sure you try and have a chat with one of them. So last week I left you with a little quiz. I'm not quite sure why I've got the link across there, but hopefully you can still see it. We've got the quiz there, but we've also got the answers now this week. So have a look, see how you did. Did you get them all right? Did you not get them all right? The one underneath says 7 Jungle Book, if you can't see that one. But I hope you had a good go with that. And finally, to leave you on a quiz, so you can pause it now. This quiz says, guess what it says? And these are for you to have a go at for next week, and I will give you the answers then. Have a really good week, everybody. Enjoy your weekend, and I will chat with you again next week. Bye.